Did you know some vegetables can lower your blood sugar just as effectively as medication? That's right. Managing diabetes isn't just about avoiding certain foods. It's also about embracing the power of specific veggies that actively regulate blood sugar level. These secret superfoods can balance glucose levels naturally, offering a crucial advantage in diabetes management that many people overlook. Today, we're diving into the 10 vegetables scientifically proven to help control blood sugar levels. At the end, we'll bust some myths along the way and reveal 5 high-carb vegetables you should keep an eye on. So, could you do us a quick favor? Hit that like button, subscribe for updates, and share this video with anyone who could benefit. I am sure you have heard that eating starchy vegetables increases the risk of diabetes. While it is true that some vegetables heavy in carbohydrates can cause blood sugar to surge, not all vegetables are made equal. Numerous nutrient-dense, low-carb solutions are available that not only fit into your diet, but also actively assist in blood sugar regulation. You might be shocked to find which vegetables are on the list today. In fact, some can be your greatest allies. First of all, let us begin with a vegetable that is frequently disregarded yet has a significant impact on diabetes management. Consider a vegetable that contains nearly all water, about 95% to be exact. Because dehydration can result from high blood sugar, it is crucial that you stay hydrated. But this vegetable is more than just water. It has a wealth of chemicals that can influence insulin production, slow down the digestion of carbohydrates, and act as a covert glucose regulator. It even helps your body eliminate extra sugar by acting as a natural diuretic. According to a study that was published in the Journal of Plant Foods for Human Nutrition, even in diabetic rats, this common vegetable might reduce blood glucose levels. Whether you enjoy it in their raw state, in salads, or as a light snack, this vegetable is extremely low in carbs and calories, making it ideal for controlling blood sugar levels. Yes, I'm talking about cucumbers. Number 2. What if I told you that your hidden weapon against diabetes might be a leafy green with a strong, peppery bite? Imagine enhancing your meals with a straightforward addition that both improves your health and tastes great. This colorful vegetable is a nutritional powerhouse that diabetics require, not just a flavor enhancer. To start with, it contains a lot of vitamin K, which is essential for healthy bones and blood clotting. This is especially important because many diabetics experience problems with blood clotting and bone density, which are frequently brought on by persistently elevated blood sugar levels. Actually, research has connected low vitamin K levels to elevated insulin resistance. So this leafy green is not only incredibly tasty, but also plays a vital role in improving your body's ability to regulate glucose. Not only that, but things grow better still. Additionally abundant in nitrate molecules, which are excellent for heart health and blood circulation, is this vegetable. These substances aid in dilating blood arteries, enhancing blood flow, and reducing blood pressure organically, 2 vital areas where diabetics frequently experience difficulties. Reduced risk of neuropathy, that annoying tingling or numbness in your hands and feet, comes with improved circulation. Furthermore, this leafy green is brimming with anti-inflammatory antioxidants like glucosinolates, as if that were not enough. Why does this matter? By raising insulin resistance and opening the door for consequences like cardiovascular disease, inflammation can exacerbate diabetes. You are proactively lowering inflammation and safeguarding your long-term health by including this vegetable in your diet. The finest aspect? It is very adaptable. It can be used as a peppery kick to your salads, added as a delectable topping that does not raise blood sugar levels to your favorite recipes, or blended into your morning smoothies for an extra nutritional boost. Let arugula become your new best buddy. Number 3. Now for a colorful vegetable that tastes great in salads, stir-fries, and even as a crunchy snack, but its true beauty is found far elsewhere. This vegetable is a nutritional powerhouse that can be really helpful in managing diabetes, so it is more than simply a pop of color on your plate. Its high fiber content helps prevent those unpleasant post-meal blood sugar rises by slowing down the absorption of sugar and facilitating better digestion. But this vegetable's abundant antioxidants, particularly its anthocyanins, are what really make it stand out. These potent ingredients give the vegetable its vivid, eye-catching color and have been connected to several health advantages, particularly for those who have diabetes. Anthocyanins fight insulin resistance, which is frequently the underlying cause of type 2 diabetes, at the cellular level. They ensure that your body uses glucose more efficiently by enhancing the way your cells react to insulin. Not only that, but these substances also have strong anti-inflammatory qualities that help to lessen the inflammation that is frequently associated with diabetes, which in turn lowers the risk of consequences including neuropathy and cardiovascular disease. This implies that every bite of this vegetable is actively promoting your health from the inside out, making it more than simply a delightful pleasure. It also contains a ton of vitamin C and K. For those who are controlling their diabetes, vitamin K is essential for promoting bone health and preserving appropriate blood coagulation. Conversely, vitamin C functions as an important antioxidant and immune system enhancer, helping to prevent oxidative stress, which can be especially harmful to people with high blood sugar. Diets strong in anthocyanins have been shown to enhance insulin sensitivity, lower fasting blood glucose, and even aid lower dangerous levels of LDL cholesterol, according to a study published in the Journal of Nutrition. This adaptable vegetable can be eaten fresh in salads, fermented, or sautéed as a hearty side dish. Because of its low calorie and carbohydrate content, it is a great choice for people who want to control their blood sugar levels and manage their weight. It not only keeps you fuller for longer, but it also gives any meal a flavor and nutrient boost without interfering with your ability to control your blood sugar. If you haven't guessed it yet, we're talking about the kind but powerful cabbage. Number 4. Imagine a versatile vegetable that is frequently used to replace grains and other starchy dishes with lower carb options. But it is much more than just a beneficial replacement. This vegetable is highly praised for its abundance of health benefits, particularly for people who are controlling diabetes, in addition to its adaptability. Though it may seem like simply another low-calorie food at first, it actually has a far bigger impact on blood sugar regulation than you may believe. This vegetable, which is high in fiber, works in the background to control your digestion and decrease the rate at which glucose enters your system. Your blood sugar will not spike after meals because to this slower absorption, which is important for anyone attempting to effectively manage their diabetes. However, that is only the tip of the iceberg. Its high level of choline is one of its hidden qualities. Essential for the manufacturing of insulin, choline also maintains the integrity of the liver, an organ crucial to blood sugar regulation. Choline is a secret ally for diabetics, improving fat metabolism and lowering insulin resistance, one of the main problems for people with type 2 diabetes. Moreover, this vegetable is high in glucosinolates, which are potent substances that lessen inflammation all over the body and aid in liver detoxification. Imagine that every meal is helping to clear your system and lessen the ongoing inflammation that is frequently associated with diabetes. This vegetable is a multi-purpose hero on your plate, since these components support a healthy liver, which in turn helps with more effective glucose regulation. Research indicates that including it in your meals can considerably lower blood sugar increases after meals, so it is a wise replacement for high-carb sides like rice or potato. Therefore, keep this vegetable in mind the next time you're planning a meal, not just as a side dish, but as an essential component of your diabetes treatment arsenal. That's right. This multi-purpose powerhouse is none other than cauliflower. Number 5. Now let's talk about a vegetable that most of us consume without realizing its profound impact on diabetes. Although technically a fruit, this low glycemic option fits perfectly into diabetic meal plans. It's rich in vitamin C, which boosts immune function, and lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that improves glucose metabolism and protects against oxidative stress, a major contributor to insulin resistance and complications like heart disease. Studies have shown that lycopene can help reduce the damage caused by high blood sugar, making this veggie more than just a colorful addition to your plate. It's a genuine blood sugar stabilizer. Enjoy it raw, cooked, or in sauces without the guilt of a sugar spike. Say hello to tomatoes. Number 6. Ever thought about skipping this veggie because of its natural sweetness? It's easy to assume that anything sweet is bad news for blood sugar, but this humble vegetable defies that notion in the best way possible. Don't be fooled by its flavor despite its natural sugars. This veggie ranks low on the glycemic index, meaning it releases its sugars slowly and steadily rather than spiking your blood sugar like other sweet foods might. This slow release is crucial for diabetics who work tirelessly to keep their blood sugar levels stable. What makes this veggie even more powerful is its high fiber content. This fiber acts like a traffic controller in your gut, slowing down digestion and keeping blood sugar levels in check. But that's not all. Inside this vegetable lies a powerhouse of beta-carotene, a nutrient that's especially important for those managing diabetes. Beta-carotene is a precursor to vitamin A, essential for eye health, and something that's a big concern for many diabetics who are at risk of diabetic retinopathy, a serious eye condition. But the benefits go beyond just eye protection. Beta-carotene also serves as a potent antioxidant, reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, key factors that can worsen insulin resistance and complicate diabetes management. In fact, a study published in the British Journal of Nutrition found that individuals with higher beta-carotene levels had a significantly reduced risk of developing type 2 diabetes. That's a game changer for anyone looking to manage their blood sugar naturally. Whether you prefer them raw in salads, steamed alongside your meals, or roasted for that perfect caramelized taste, this vegetable deserves a permanent spot on your plate. It's more than just a crunchy snack. It's a secret ally in your battle against high blood sugar. That's right. We're talking about carrots, the sweet surprise that's doing so much more for your health than you might have imagined. Number 7. Next, let's look at a veggie that's often mistaken as merely a healthy fat source. This fruit-vegetable hybrid offers much more, especially for those managing diabetes. It's loaded with monounsaturated fats that improve insulin sensitivity, helping your body regulate blood sugar more effectively. What's particularly valuable is its ability to lower bad cholesterol while maintaining good cholesterol, reducing cardiovascular risks, a common issue for diabetics. The fiber content further stabilizes blood sugar by slowing digestion, ensuring a controlled release of glucose into your bloodstream. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlights that these healthy fats can reduce insulin resistance and inflammation, making this nutrient-dense veggie a versatile and delicious option for your diet. It's none other than avocados. Number 8. This leafy green is a must-have for anyone looking to control their blood sugar levels. It is high in magnesium, a mineral required for insulin control. Low magnesium levels are frequently related with insulin resistance, making this vegetable essential for anyone treating diabetes. But the advantages do not stop there. It is also high in potassium, which balances electrolytes and helps diabetics avoid issues like hypertension. And do not forget about alpha-lipoic acid, a potent antioxidant contained in this vegetable that not only increases insulin sensitivity, but also aids in the regeneration of nerves injured by diabetic neuropathy. Whether eaten raw in salads or cooked in soups and stir-fries, this vegetable retains its nutrients and provides a diverse option for blood sugar management. If you have not guessed already, we're talking about spinach. Number 9. Let us move on to a vegetable that is little yet formidable. This little cruciferous vegetable is high in nutrients that are beneficial to diabetics. One of its key ingredients is alpha-lipoic acid, which not only improves insulin sensitivity, but also fights diabetic neuropathy, a nerve-damaging consequence of diabetes. This vegetable is high in fiber and delays carbohydrate absorption, which helps to reduce the dreaded post-meal blood sugar increase. Including it in your diet is a simple yet efficient strategy to aid glucose management. According to one study, participants who consumed this vegetable experienced significant changes in post-meal blood sugar levels. If you have not guessed, this superfood is Brussels sprouts. Number 10. Let us discuss about a vegetable that could be the MVP of blood sugar management. This vegetable is high in sulforaphane, a sulfur-containing chemical that has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and protect cells against oxidative stress. It is basically nature's version of a diabetes treatment. In fact, a study published in Science Translational Medicine discovered that an extract from this vegetable could lower fasting blood glucose levels by up to 10% in persons with type 2 diabetes, which is virtually similar to the effective metformin, a common diabetes medication. It is also high in vitamin C and fiber, which help to reduce inflammation and keep blood sugar stable. It is time to give this vegetable the credit it deserves. It is none other than broccoli. There are a few higher carb options to be wary about. Peas, butternut squash, parsnips, corn, and potatoes are all high in nutrients, but their increased carbohydrate content can cause blood sugar levels to rise more rapidly. Curious about the amazing changes that occur when you stop eating sugar for 30 days? Watch this video to find out.